Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Corey, and on today's adventure we're on the wild west coast of New Zealand. There's a massive low pressure system approaching the coast. As you can tell, it's pretty windy and wet at the moment. We're going to hunker down in my tent, eat some delicious food and ride the night out through this wind and rain. Whoa. That looks like we're here. Wow. Check that out. That's the Tasman Sea behind us. Just got to find a suitable clearing for our tent. Right, this looks like a beautiful spot. It's very windy, but it's not as windy as down on the cliff. So I think before this heavy rain comes across, we'll get our shelter, our tent set up. Right. Pretty good walk in, a couple of kilometers, but mostly across sand. And this spot, this clearing, I've actually come here before and done some reconnaissance. This used to be a radar station during World War II, hence why it's so clear, and there's probably concrete under here somewhere, but it's a really good lookout for enemy ships coming in towards New Zealand. That never really happened, but I guess they were prepared. Actually going to peg it out at this end. And you might have gathered, I'm kind of trying, oh I found concrete, I'm kind of trying to be stealthy here because you can hike up here, and at the top of those cliffs there's some lookout points. Great idea bringing a bright orange tent, I know. Right, we're looking pretty good. That rain's starting to come down now. Get some of our gear packed away, and I think we'll start to set up our bedding, and then we'll go for a walk and have a look. This tent's pretty solid. I think it's going to work out really well. We've got a bit of wind scheduled and quite a lot of rain, so should make for an interesting night. This is the new pack. Sea Osprey Ether, 65 litre. Pretty stoked with it. It's so much comfier than my cheap pack I was using. Okay. Oh, that rain's approaching. I can see it. I'll get our mat, bushbuck mat set up. It's a bushbuck mat. It's an R4.5 rated. And it's got a bit of a concave, so you're sort of forced to lay in there. It's definitely comfy, but it's not the most comfiest compared to others on the market. But the best thing about it, in my opinion, is this pillow, which actually has some clipping points, so it doesn't move during the night. That's not going anywhere. It's a really nice setup. You can get the down lofted up. So we got our cup. Good thing about having the 65 litre pack is you can just fit so much more gear. Check out the scenery. Oh. Watching the rain starting coming down heavy now. I'm going to make a hot chocolate, warm myself up because it is quite cold, and we're just going to wait out the rain. We've got some awesome dinner. I'm doing nachos for dinner, so that should be really yum. But yeah, we'll get to that in a couple hours. But for now, I'm just going to relax, make a hot drink and enjoy the view. Just making a hot chocolate here. Save enough for the morning. Bit of a break in the weather right now, so go and do some sightseeing. So I haven't camped here before, but I have hiked up here. I found the spot on Google Maps and it looked too good to be true, but it was perfect. Wow, we've got an epic sunset happening over there. Wow. And there's my little tent all the way down there. How epic is this? Looks like that rain's on its way back. We better get back to the tent, secure it, and then we can get dinner going. It's as far as I'll go, because that's certain death. There's some epic swell crashing against here. I would love to explore that. All right, gonna get dinner started in our little area here and hunker down. This rain's approaching. So I got some cheese I've prepped. I got some corn chips that are hopefully not wet. Some sour cream. Grams is that? I've got about 300 grams of mince, some nacho mix, and I've got some beans as well, some chili beans. There we go. Don't get it that hot. I hope everyone's been enjoying the content. It's been great to be back at it. And by now you would have seen a few videos since I've come back to it. I definitely missed it. I think it was just a bit of a work-life balance. I sort of just fell away from it, but I'm back for good. Oh, this is going to be good. I can already tell. I'm back for good, everyone. I was talking to Tony from AB Camping just like 20 minutes ago. And he was saying, what did he say? He said go all in or go home. I feel like that's so true. I think I need to stick by that and not pussyfoot it out and just go for it. Chase the storms, chase the content, get out there when I can. Obviously I've got a partner and a puppy. I like to spend time with them as well, so it's a bit of a balance. But enough of the spiel. I'm back for good. Expect epic content, chasing storms, snow, rain, everything, cooking delicious meals, and just seeing the world. Well, New Zealand anyway. I know a lot of you are from different parts of the world, so I think it's quite cool that you get to see different perspective from us Kiwi YouTubers. Yeah, it's only a small serving, but it'll be plenty for me. I don't need a big meal. It's actually a relatively easy walk to get in here. Couple kilometre. Chili beans. I'm not going to use all of these, obviously, just a little bit. Windy. Actually worked out quite good. That looks pretty good, right? It's got on a nice low heat to heat that to melt that cheese, and put a bit of sour cream on, and we're done. Dinner is served. Before we eat dinner, there's one thing I want to say. With my absence on YouTube, it's been like 3 years or something of no content, like nothing. And slowly what YouTube does is automatically unsubscribes my followers, you know, people who actually wanted to stay subscribed in case I reposted. You probably haven't seen that, or you probably ain't even watching this, because of the no action for so long. YouTube have said, right, no one's watching it anyway, we'll just automatically unsubscribe you. So if you are watching this, please hit the subscribe, but most importantly, hit the all notifications bell. That will let you know when I've uploaded. If you set it to all, you'll get it as soon as I upload or post a story or anything to do on YouTube. The other thing you can do to stay in touch is check out my Facebook page, which is called CUS Adventures. for my Instagram, which is Sea West Camping on there. Oh, they're looking good. Look at that. It's mounted. Oh, shit. Okay, dinner time. Dinner served. I got some sour cream here. I can just put some. Ooh, it's windy. Dinner is served, so we've got nachos with sour cream, so mince, nacho chips, some mix. Wow, that's so good. Let me get a bit on here. That's so good. It's a mix of sour cream, nacho cheese, spice mix, and nacho beans. That is good. I'm going to finish my dinner, and by the time I come back it's probably going to be a lot darker. Sun's setting and it's starting to get quite cold and dark. I'll bring you back when I've cleared this. Hey everyone, well, I had dinner, that was delicious. I've just been sitting here watching the view, watching the sky go dark for the last 30-40 minutes. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in bed and we'll get up early in the morning. I haven't brought anything for breakfast. We'll just have a hot chocolate for our walk out. But expecting high winds by 9 AM, so I want to be packed up before then and on the hike out if possible. Right, I'm in bed. Gonna watch some AB camping recovery missions. And then my bedtime snack. What do we got today on this trip? Oh, yes. Haribo Gold Bears. These are the best, these things. And I'll tell you, I'll probably fall asleep and then they'll be everywhere scattered through the tent. But it doesn't matter. They're so good. Where were they made? Made in Germany. Yeah. folks. It's currently 3:22 AM. I've just retensioned the guidelines because we're getting really strong winds come through. So hopefully it's a bit more stable now. This peg had actually come out, so I've retensioned that. And now I'm going to hop back in my warm sleeping bag because it's freezing out here. Whoa. Very windy. Just gone 5:46 AM. Those winds are hitting very hard now. I think I'm going to get up and check the tent. Woo! Well, morning everyone. We are forced to wake up, not that I've had much sleep. It's blowing about 35-40 knots. Gusts, but the wind isn't too bad. It's just really when the gusts come along and they're blowing from the sea. I'm going to make a hot drink, and I've just got up because it's got a bit wild, so in case the tent takes off or rips out or something, I'm prepared to do something and I'm not in bed. I'm going to make a hot tea or hot chocolate and just hunker down until we have some morning light, and then we will be getting out of here because it's going to get wild. Don't have my windshield either. We've got a nice hot drink to start the morning, even though we've been up since on and off since 2:30. We've got a nice hot drink. Hopefully you can hear me. I've got my microphone in my base layer pocket. This tent's held up really well. It's done real well. I mean, it's calmed down a bit at the moment, so probably about 30 knot winds. Yeah, it's actually a really nice tent. Pretty good. Let's go look at the ocean. Wow. Oh my God. Tent's looking a bit shabby. Gas cooker. These winds are picking up, so I don't want to be around when it's at 50-60 knot gusting, because the tent won't be here anymore. We'll get packed up and we'll have a look around for the rest of the video, and then once we can hike out. Not anymore. Crazy weather. We'll just wait for this rain to pass and then we'll try and make a move. Right, you can come out. Okay, I'm going to put these in my pocket so they don't blow away. Peg bag and pole bag. I'm going to try fit in the pack because it's just going to be a lot easier. Mud, but I'll wash them when I get home. Extra weight. Let's get out of here. It's about to pick up this rain. We'll get into the bush. See, we're just out of the wind here because it's wrapping around that corner. It can't get us in here as bad. Anyway, we're going to get down to the lower beach. We'll take shelter down there and wait for the tide. Well, it was a really fun overnight camp. I enjoyed myself. Finally some decent rain, and what a spot. Right on the edge of the cliff like that. It's hard to find those sort of locations. Just waiting for this rain storm to pass and then we'll carry on. video where I say goodbye. But not quite yet. Let's get to the car. Let's get all the gear off. And we'll make a move from there. Alright. Alright everyone, unfortunately that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up or hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button, that way you're followed the next time one of my adventures pops up. And leave a comment, ask a question, and we will see you all in the next adventure. What that'll be, I'm not too sure, but it'll be very soon. Stay safe everyone, and we will see you then.